Okay, friends, good morning. Friends, they given this question in 2017 SBA PO Mains. Friends, this question is too lengthy question. Maybe in video there we will not get that much clarity. So, friends, I will give this question in your comment section. I will provide link. Just download and then practice. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, I given time. That time take screenshot and try to solve. If not, see here. There are 12 professors A, B, C, D, Q, R, S, and T. Friends, check here. Here they mention 12 professors, but here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They give only 8 professors. Friends, don't think question is wrong. Remaining 4 professors will comes in the middle. Leave. They have conferences in different months: January, March, April, June, August, and October. Yes, the conferences are on date 6th or 21st of the given month. Yes. So friends, check here. Friends, here we are having January month. At the same time, here we are having March month, and so on. Here we are having October month. Next, the conferences are on date 6th or 21st of the different month. That means January month here we are having 6/21st. Next year also we are having 6/21st. Friends, take like this only. Don't take here January month. Next month March month. Next and so on October. Don't take here 6 and this one 20 like 21. Like this don't take. Why means if they mention immediately means in this case there is chance to get confused. So don't take like that. Just leave it. Next, each conference is attended by some number of people. Yes, leave. If the month contains odd number of days, then the number of people attending the conference is odd. Suppose, from January month having total how many days? 31 days. Then the number of persons attend the conference in January month is then odd number of persons only. Why means if the month contains odd number of days, then odd number of persons will attend the meeting. Suppose, take friends April month. April month having total how many days? Total we are having 30 days. That means the number of persons attend the in April is even number of persons. Why means month contains even number of days. See here. If the month contains odd number of days, then number of people attend the conference is odd. Next, like conference in March 31 days was attended by odd number of people. Why means March contains odd number of days. Next, April contains even number of days mean then even number of people attend the conference. Yes, leave it. Yes, friends, check here. Next, friends, here for entire arrangement before only I took possibility. Friends, check here. I took like this. See here. So friends, here January month here we are I took total 2 possibilities. Why means for this one we are going to get 2 possibilities. See here. January month here 6/21, March 6/21, April 6/21, June. Next October. Next one is for August. Next one is for October. Each month contains total 2 dates. Yes. Total we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Total we are having 2 dates. That means total we are having 12 dates. Yes, leave it. Now friends, check here. First point take here. A had a conference on June 6th. Now friends, check here. A had a conference on June 6th. Take here. A had a conference on June 6th. Leave. Next point. Q conference was before A. Yes, friends, check here. So the mention is what? Q conference was before A. But here we don't know when it is. Q conference was before A. Leave it. Next point. Q conference was attended by 55 people. Yes, friends, check here. Q conference was before A, but Q conference was attended by total 55 people. Yes, leave. Next point is next. Friends, here. Friends, here the mention is what? Q conference was attended by 55 people and he had a conference on 21st of the month. Friends, check here. Q conference attended by here 55 people and he has a conference on 21st of the month and has a conference on 21st of the month. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, Q conference attended by 55 people. That means odd number of people. Then Q has a conference in the month contains odd number of days. Now, friends, previously given is what? Q has a conference before A. Now, Q conference was attended by 55 people. 55 means here odd number of persons. So, Q had a conference in the month contains here odd number of days. The month contains odd number of days. That means for Q, April month is no chance. Why means here we are having even number of days. Then here March there is a chance to take. Then January there is a chance to take. Yes, Q has a conference on 21st of the month. See here 21st. That means here there is a chance to take here March 21st or there is a chance to take here January 21st. Yeah, that means there is a chance to take two possibilities means now take one possibility is right side, other possibility is left side. Yeah, this one is for Q attended by 55 people. Now A had a conference in June 6th. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, one check all our conditions. See here. A had conference on June 6th. Q conference was before A. Q conference was attended by 55 people and had a conference on 21st of the month. Yes, leave it. Next point. There was one conference between Q conference and S conference. Yes. Between Q and S, we are having one conference. Now, see here, Q, 1, yes, above no chance. Now, Q, 1 conference is what? Yes. Now, in this case, Q, 1 conference, yes, chance. Otherwise, Q, 1 conference is also chance. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities. Leave it. Next point. See here, the number of people attending the X conference was 6 less than the number of people who attend the Q conference. Yes. Friends, the number of people who attend the S conference was 6 less than number of persons who attend the Q conference. Q conference attended by 55. Now, the number of people who attend the S conference was 6 less than that of Q. That means Q contains 55. Now, 6 less than means what? 55 minus here 6. That means this one is what? Here 49. That means S conference was attended by 49 number of persons. So friends, S conference was attended by 49 members. That means S has a conference in the month contains odd number of days. Why means here we are having odd number of persons. Now, friends, check here. Friends, Q here 1 person, yes, no chance. Why means S conference attended by 49, but here month contains even number of days. Now that means here Q 1 conference, one is what? Yes, S conference was attended by 49 persons. Yes. Next point. Next point is what? See here. There were 3 conferences between D's conference and the conference attended by 26 people. Yes, between D and 26, between D and 26, totally here we are having 3 conferences. Yes, here between D and 26 we are having 3 conferences. Yes, leave it. See here. Next, D had a conference before the conference attended by 26 people. Yes, next leave it. D conference was not in January. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, between D and 26, here we are having 3 conferences, but D conference was not held in January month. Yes. Now, friends, check here. I will take here possibilities. Friends, suppose if I will take here D, January month, no chance. Suppose if I will take this one is for D, now 1, 2, 3. This one is for 26 possibility. Even number of persons, even number of days. Yes. Suppose if I will take here D, now 1, 2, 3. This one 26, no chance. Why means even number of persons or number of days. Now, if I take here D 1, 2, 3, 26, no chance. Even number of persons, odd number of days. Next, friend, check here. If I will take here D means now 1, 2, 3, no chance. Then here we are having only one possibility for D and 26. Now in this side, suppose D here no chance. Why means D does not have conference in January. Now suppose if I will take D here now 1, 2, 3. This one is what? See here 1, 2, 3. This one is what? Here 26 possibility between D and 26. Here we are having 3 conferences. D had a conference before before 26. Even number of persons, even number of days. Next, if I will take here D 1, 2, 3, 26, no chance. Why means even number of persons or number of days. Next here D 1, 2, 3, 26, no chance. Odd number of days. That means here also we are having only one possibility. See here between D and 26 we are having three conferences, but D does not have a conference on January month. Yes, leave it. Next point. Take here. Next points here. There were 2 conferences between T conference and the conference attended by 26 people. Yes, see here. Friends, the mention is what? See here, the given is what? There were 2 conferences between T conference and the conference attended by 26 people. Now, friends, check here. 26. Now, when is case, friends, check 26. 1, 2 here T, no chance. Now, 26, 1, 2. This one is for here T possibility. Between T and 26 here we are having 2 conferences in this case. Friends, check here 26, 1, 2 T, no chance. Now 26, 1, 2. This one is for here T. Between T and 26 here we are having 2 conferences. Yes, leave it. Now friends, check here. Next point. Friends, see here. There were 2 conferences between T conference and the conference attended by 26 people. Yes, leave. The number of people who attended T conference was greater than number of people who attended S conference. See here. The number of people who attended the T conference was greater than the number of people who attended the S conference. See here. The number of people who attended the T conference was T conference was greater than the number of people who attended the S conference. Next point is what? See here. Number of people who attended T conference was here. The number of people who attended T conference was greater than the number of people who attended S conference, but qualifies here T, but the less than the number of people who attend the Q conference. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, the given condition is what? The number of people who attend the T conference was more than that of S, but less than that of Q. Friends, check here. Here Q conference was attended by 55. That means here Q conference was attended by here 55. Now S conference was attended by here 49. See, S conference attended by 49. Now the again condition is the number of people who attended T conference was more than that of S but less than that of Q. That means here T conference attended by maybe 50, 51, 52, 53. Next one is what? 54. These are the possibilities for T conference. Why means the number of people who attended T conference was more than that of S but less than that of Q. Yes, leave it. Next point. See here. Next point is what? The number of people who attended T conference was multiple of 3. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, here the mention is what? The number of people who attend the T conference was multiple of 3. See here. Friends, check here. The again condition is what? The number of people who attended T conference was multiple of 3. Yes. Friends, for T conference here, possibilities are, see here, 54, 53. Next, friends, check here, 52, 51, 50. These are the possibilities. But here, multiple of 3. Friends, here, multiple of 3 means now 51 there is chance to take. Why means 3 1 jar, 3 7 jar. 52 no chance. Next 53 also no chance. Then there is chance to take 54 also. That means the number of people who attended T conference was maybe 54 or maybe 51. See here. The again condition is the number of people who attended T conference was more than that of S but less than that of Q. S contains 49 members, Q contains 55. Then for T possibilities are 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. But now the again condition is the number of people who attended T conference was multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Here out of these all possibilities, multiple of 3 means possibilities are there is chance to take 54, there is chance to take here 51. Why means here 3 1 jar, next 3 here this one is what 17 jar. Next 17 3 are 51. At the same time here 3 1 jar. Next one is what 3 18 jar. Yes, that means these two are the multiples of 3. Now friends, check here. Friends, now for T possibilities are there is chance to take 54 or there is chance to take here 51. Now friends, check here. Once observe T had a conference in the month contains odd number of days. That means T conference was attended by odd number of person. That means for T possibilities what? Odd number means possibilities what? 51. Then 54 no chance. See here. Then for T possibilities what? 51. Here also for T possibilities what? Here 51. Yes, leave it. Now go for next point. Friends, check here. The number of people who attended T conference was greater than come to T. The number next see here. E and P had a conference in same month but not in April. Friends, check here. E and P had a conference in same month but not in April. Yes, friends, check here. E and P had a conference in same month but not in April. April no chance. Then only possibility is what? October for E and P. Possibility is what? October. In this case, E and P possibility is what? Here October month only. Yes. Next, leave it. Next point. There was one conference between the conferences of E and U. Yes, friends, check here. The mention is what? E and P had a conference in the same month but not in April means now for E and P possibility is what? Only possibility is what? October month. Next, but here the again condition is what? Only one conference. There was one conference between conferences of E and U. Friends, check here. Between E and U, we are having one conference. Suppose if I will take E here, E one conference U, no chance. Then this one is fixed for E. Now this one is fixed for U. Now friends, check here. Between not sorry, this one is not U. This one is what? P. E and P had a conference in same month. Now between E and U, we are having one conference. E one conference. This one is what? U. Yes, in this case. E and P had a conference in same month but not in April. But not in April. Then for E and P possibility is what? Only October. If I will take here E means one conference U, no chance. Then this one is what? E. Now this one is what? P. E and P had a conference in same month. Now E one conference. This one is what? Here U. Yes, leave it. Now friends, check here next point. E and P had a conference in same month but not in April. Next, leave it. Next point. There was one conference between E and U. Next. There were two conferences between F conference and the conference attended by 16 people. Yes, between F and 16, see here, between F and 16, here we are having two conferences. Yes, leave it. Next point, see here, F had a conference before the conference attended by 16 people. See here. Friends, between F and 16, here we are having the two conferences, but F had a conference before the conference attended by 16 people. Friends, take this one. Even number of persons mean, then if this person is having the conference in the month contains even number of days. Suppose 16. Friends, suppose friends, check here. If I will take this one is what? Here 16. Now 1 to here F no chance. 16 here means 1 to F no chance. Now then this is the only possibility. If I take this one is for 16 mean 1 2, this one is for F. Between F and 16 here we are having two conferences. F had a conference before 16. Even number of persons, even number of days. Yes. Now friends check here. If I take here F means now 1 2. This one is what? Here 16 possibility. See here. Between F and 16 here we are having the two conferences. F had a conference before the attended by 16 people. Even number of persons, even number of days. Suppose F here 1 2 here 16 no chance. Why means here odd number of days. Yes. Here we are having only one possibility. Leave it. Next one check here. Take next point. One check here. Next, total number of people who attend the conferences of E and Q was twice the total number of people who attend the conference of A and B. Now friends check here. Friends, U plus Q equal to 2 into A plus B. See here. The again condition is what? Friends check here. The again condition is what? Total number of people, the total number of people who attend the conferences of U and Q was twice that of, see here, was twice that of total number of people who attend the conferences of A and B. See here. That means, friends, check here. U plus Q equal to 2 into A plus B. Leave it. Next point. Friends, check here. Next point. Conference conference of C and that attended by 18 people was in the same month. Yes, that means C and 18 people having the conference in the same month. Here C is different and 18. Here even number of persons mean then the month contains even number of days. See here. And again condition is what? Conference of C and that attended by 18 people was in the same month. Yes, C and 18. So friends, even number of persons mean then month contains even number of days. Then 18 possibilities for only this is the only possibility for here 18. If I take this one is for 18, now the one is for C. C and 18 having the conference in the same month. Next, here C and 18 possibilities for this one is for 18, now the one is for C. C and 18 having the conference in the same month. Even number of persons, even number of days. Leave it. Next point. Friends, check here. Next, the total number of people who attend the conference of E and P was 20. Yes, friends, check here. Total number of people who attend the conferences of E and P. E plus P is total is for 20. Yes, leave it. Next point. The number of people who attend the E conference was greater than the number of people who attend the conferences of F and P. See here. The number of people who attend who attend E conference was more than that of F and P. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, check here. F conference was attended by 18. Yes, F conference was attended by 18. The number of people who attend the conference was more than that of F, at the same time more than that of P. Now friends check here, but the mention is what? E plus P total is what? 20. So E is more than F. E is more than F means now F is 18. Then for E possibility is what? There is chance to take 19. There is chance to take here 20. But E had a conference, friends check here. E had a conference in the month contains odd number of days. Then for E possibility is what? Here for E possibility is what? 19. Yes, now friends for E possibility is what? 19. E is 19 means now P is 1. Why means E plus P total is what? 20. Friends, once again see here. E plus P total is 20. Now the number of persons who attend the E conference was more than that of F and that of P. F conference having 18 members. That means E conference what? More than 18. That means 19 or 20. Why means E contain E plus P total is what? 20. So for E possibility is 19 or 20. But E had a conference in the month contains odd number of days. Then for E possibility is what? 19. Now P is what? Here 1. Here also same. Now E is what? 19. Now P is what? Here 1. Yes, leave it. Next go for next point. See here. The number of people who attend the conferences of T was greater than the number of people who attend the conference of B by 24. See here. The number of people who attend the conferences of T was greater than the number of people who attend the conference of B by 24. Yes, friends, check here. That means, friends, check here. Friends, T equal to, friends, check here. T equal to B plus 24. T equal to B plus 24. Now, friends, check here. T conference attended by 51. Now, 51 equal to B plus 24. Now, B equal to here 27. Yes, 27 plus 24. Total is what? 31. Total is what? 51. Yes, here. The number of people who attended T conference was 24 more than that of B. That means T equal to B plus 24. T contains 55. That means 55 equal to B plus 24. Now B equal to 27. Yes, friends, check here. B equal to 27 number of persons. Yes. Then friends, check here. B equal to 27 means now for B possibility is what? Here no chance. Why means even number. Now this is the only possibility for B. P contains here 27. In this case, check here. E P completed T U B 27 no chance. Now only possibility is what? This is the only possibility for B. This one is what? 27. Yes, leave it. Next point. The one who had conference in March had more number of people attend the B, but less than that of 30. Yes, friends, here. The one who had, see here, once again, the one who had conference in March had more number of people attending it than B, but less than 30. Then more than that of B, but less than 30 in March month. More than B means what? Here, B having 27. More than that of B means what? 28, 29. Next, less than 30. That means the one who had conference in March month having 28% or 29%. But March month contains odd number of days, then odd number of persons. So 28 is no chance. Then only possibility is for 29. Yes. Here also only possibility for here 29. Yes, friends, here the point is what? The one who had conference in March had more number of people attending it than B, but less than 30. Yes, leave. Next point. There was more than 3 conferences between conferences of R and S. Friends, check here. Between R and S, we are having more than 3 conferences. Now, remind this is the only possibility for R. Now, yes, 1, 2, 3 R. Between S and R, here we are having only 3 conferences. But our requirement is for more than 3 conferences between more than 3 conferences. That means then for this possibility, there is no chance. Now this one is what? Yes, one. Then this is the R. Now between S and R, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are having more than 3 conferences. Yes. Now friends, check here. Now take remaining. Friends, check here. U plus Q equal to 2 into A plus B. Yes, friends, check here. Now U we don't know. U plus Q. Q contains how many member? Here 55 equal to 2 into A plus B. Now friends, check here. A contains 26 people. Now here B contains A 27. Yes. Now friends, check here. Yes, friends, check here. U plus 55 equal to 2 into 26 plus 27. Y means U plus Q equal to 2 into A plus B. Now U plus 55. This one is what? 53 106. Now U equal to 51%. Yes. Now friends, check here. Here U equal to 51. Odd number of persons, then month contains odd number of days. Yes. So friend, this is the entire information they given. And yes, friends, check here. Friends, here we are going to get one more doubt. Here C conference total attended by how many member of persons? Friends, in the data they didn't given. And see here, after solving question also again we will check. Why means for C we are not going to get any number of persons. Here by solving question also we are not able to get for C any number of persons. Why means for C they didn't given any data. Yes. So friend, this is they given entire arrangement. Yes, friends, see here they again this question in 2017 SBI PO mains. Friend, these type of models are very important. At present, month based puzzle is compulsory present in our preliminary exam. The same time it is present in our mains. If it is a preliminary means, they will give hardly 2-3 lines. It is easy, but mains also it is too easy. This question also too easy, but it is little bit lengthy question. Friends, once if you are going to like this channel means just subscribe, at the same time share to your friends.